the Maharashtra, in fact, lost, the Congress party has once again raised the demand for the EVM. Congress Party's President Mallikarjun Kharge has called for Bharat Jodo Yatra-like campaign to mark the return of ballot papers in the elections. Now, after the Mahayuti alliance swept the Maharashtra Assembly elections by winning 230 out of the 288 seats, opposition parties, including the Congress Party, have alleged foul play in the conduct of the elections. Now, raising concerns about the integrity of the EVM machines, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has demanded that EVMs be replaced with the ballot papers. Have a look at what he said on the Constitution Day event.
नहीं, वो ईवीएम छोड़ दो, हमको ईवीएम पीवीएम कुछ नहीं, हमको होना बैलेट पेपर पे वोट, बस बैलेट पेपर हमको चाहिए। नहीं, वो ईवीएम छोड़ दो, हमको ईवीएम पीवीएम कुछ नहीं, हमको होना बैलेट पेपर पे वोट, बस बैलेट पेपर हमको चाहिए। नहीं, वो ईवीएम छोड़ दो, हमको ईवीएम पीवीएम कुछ नहीं, हमको होना बैलेट पेपर पे वोट, बस बैलेट paper हमको चाहिए.
Well, meanwhile, the Supreme Court has dismissed a plea seeking the return of ballot papers for voting in the elections in the country, saying that the allegations of tampering with the EVMs raked up only when the people lose the elections. While dismissing this plea, the top court added that when parties win, the same parties don't say anything. But when they lose, they rake up the issue of the tampering of the EVM machines. Now, a massive political storm has erupted over the EVM issue, with the Congress party leaders lobbying behind party chief Mallikarjun Kharge, claiming that the trust of a large section of the voters in EVMs was in fact shaking, and the Election Commission must return to the ballot papers instead of sticking to the EVMs. Meanwhile, on the other hand, a sharp reaction has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have slammed the Congress party and said that whenever the grand old party loses the election, it blames the EVM machines and the Election Commission for the same. Now listen in to the war of words on this entire issue.
आज खड़गे जी और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने फिर से संवैधानिक संस्था अर्थात ईसी पर सवाल उठाते हुए खड़गे जी ने कहा है अब ईवीएम नहीं, हम बैलेट पेपर चाहते हैं और ईवीएम के खिलाफ हम भारत जोड़ो यात्रा की तर्ज पर यात्रा निकालेंगे। बताइए, जब ईवीएम से चुनाव जीते तेलंगाना में, कर्नाटका में, झारखंड में, जम्मू कश्मीर में, वायनाड में ईवीएम ठीक था और हरियाणा महाराष्ट्र हार गए, तो राहुल गांधी को बचाना है इसलिए ईवीएम पर बहाना है। और आज ही सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक पीआईएल को डिसमिस कर दिया बैलेट पेपर की मांग जिसने की, और कहा कि ये क्या आइडिया है आपका कि जब चुनाव हारते हैं तब तो ईवीएम को दोष देते हैं, वरना ईवीएम ठीक है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी बैलेट से चुनाव इसीलिए कराना चाहती है क्योंकि कांग्रेस पार्टी बूथ लूटना चाहती है। वही कांग्रेस पार्टी जिसका मॉडल है बूथ लूटो और राज करो। इनका मॉडल 2021 बंगाल चुनाव के अंदर जिस तरीके से दबंगों ने बूथ को लूटा था, कांग्रेस पार्टी यही चाहती है। कांग्रेस पार्टी समझ चुकी है कि उसको जनता का मैंडेट नहीं मिल सकता, इसीलिए उसका षड्यंत्र बूथ लूटने का है। उसको दिक्कत ईवीएम से इसीलिए है क्योंकि ईवीएम के जरिए वो बूथ नहीं लूट सकती। अगर लोकतंत्र को बचाना है, कांग्रेस पार्टी को दूर रखना है।
जब इस देश में एक बड़े तबके का, एक बड़े मतदाताओं का विश्वास जो है वो ईवीएम से उठने लगे, चुनावी प्रक्रिया से उठने लगे, ऐसे में अगर अपोजिशन ये कह रहा है कि आप ईवीएम से के बजाय बैलेट पेपर की तरफ लौटिए, बैलेट पेपर से चुनाव कराइए, तो चुनाव आयोग को सुनना चाहिए इस बात को। और खड़गे जी ने इस बात पर खुल के एक सुझाव दिया है। और खड़गे जी देश के वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, 50 वर्षों का उनका राजनीतिक इतिहास है, और उन्होंने कोई बात कही है तो देश के चुनाव आयोग को, सरकार को ध्यान देना चाहिए।
Well, now crossing over to my colleague Isha, who joins us live on the broadcast. Good morning, Isha. There's a complete showdown over the demand for the ballot paper. Congress has said that ballot papers should return and EVM should be discarded. What are your sources telling you about Congress approaching the Election Commission regarding the same?
Right, Akanksha. So this is a massive war of words that has now erupted, with the Congress now coming out and outwardly stating that they want to denounce the EVM and want the ballot paper to come back. That is what Mallikarjun Kharge has stated. He has said that he wants that election should be conducted with the ballot papers. But to give our viewers a little bit more context, like you were also suggesting, that the Congress and the relationship with the EVM has been rather convenient, is what the BJP has been alleging, because the Congress, whenever they win an election, election. There is no mention of the EVM. There is nothing that they talk about. But the moment that they lose an election, be it Haryana, be it Maharashtra, immediately the EVM is raked up. In fact, not just BJP. In fact, their own leaders inside the Congress are also now not able to take this theory. In fact, Robert Vadra, who is the husband of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has also said that it'll not be okay to rake up the EVM issue now, considering that they have won in Jharkhand but not in Maharashtra. So it'll not be the right thing to rake up the EVM. So even within the Congress, there is a consensus, somewhat of a consensus, that this story is somewhat not fitting right about cribbing about the EVM all the time. But of course, the BJP is now coming out vehemently hitting at the Congress party, stating that these are just mere excuses for not being able to win elections and for poor planning in the state elections that are being played out.
Well, absolutely, Isha, and Congress party saying that there should be a Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra type campaign for this demand that they will be carrying out. Thank you, Isha, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Meanwhile, taking a short break, we'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.